So welcome back, fellow YouTubers. It's DM Blair. I got another package, but this time it's not from CBD Hemp Direct. It's from another company. It's called BlueBird Botanicals, and they're from Louisville, Colorado, I guess. CO. They kind of deal with other types of hemp products, and we're going to open up the box and see what it is they sent. Now, all I did was, as usual, cut the tape so we don't got to go through all that on camera. And let's see what's in here. Open up. The sticker. That's pretty sweet. Right. Okay, so this is a packing receipt. I can see what's in here, but I'm not going to show you because I'm going to show you. Some paper. It's in the box. Start with this. Let's see here. There's some tings. So we got some light. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can read. Let's see. BlueBird Hemp Extract. 2 soft gels. 30 plus milligrams. I guess that's CBD. It says that serving size is 1 soft gel and there are 2 servings per container. It does not exactly. It just says proprietary blend 0.52 milliliters. So I guess that's the CBD. So they gave us. I'm trying to see if there's different brands. Nope, they're all the same. So they gave us 3 packs of those. That's pretty cool. What's left in the box here? Let's see. It's not jiggly. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Got some hemp oil. It says 83 plus milligrams, 30.33 fluid ounces, 10 mils. 0.42 plus milligram full spectrum cannabinoids per 15 drops, equaling 1 serving. It's certified with care by BlueBird Botanicals. Okay, so we got that one. And I'm taking it that that's what's in here. Oh, I see. These are different kinds. So this one is Classic. Hemp Classic. The front says the same thing. This is Hemp Signature. And, oh, yep, another one. This one's Hemp Complete. So that's interesting. We got some capsules and some oils here. Roll this paper up so we can put it aside. There's other stuff there. And then let's see what else is in here. That seems to be it in the box. If there's anything in here. Didn't get rolled up. Nope. Okay, so we got a shirt. Oh, actually, we got 2 shirts. It says BlueBird Botanicals on it. That's pretty cool. And here it says so it says this made with hemp. That's really cool. Funny, it doesn't smell smokable. Just kidding. So that was really cool of you guys over at BlueBird Hemp or BlueBird Botanicals. I really appreciate it, guys, and we'll I guess what we'll do is see what you guys, if you guys want me to review these capsules or maybe some of this oil first. Leave the comments in the section down below. I'll put a link to this company in the description. That way, if you guys want to try any of these products or purchase anything from them, I'm not sure if I have a promo code through them. I'll have to get a hold of them. They had talked about it, but I don't know if it happened. So if I do find out that on Monday, this is Saturday, so if I find out Monday that I do when I call them, then I'll just list it in the description so that you guys can get a discount if it's at all possible. I don't know. I'm not making any guarantees, but I know it was discussed between them and I. So, till next time, guys, BlueBird Botanicals, check them out, see what they got. There's a whole variety of stuff. They just sent me, I guess, a couple samples of some things to feature. I know that they had talked about they have isolates, but they don't recommend that become part of a dietary supplemental ingredient. I think they're looking more towards it's to be added to things that they already feature or have. I'm not quite sure the whole logistics of that, but I'm sure if you call them up and talk to them about them, that the gentleman there, I can't think of his name offhand, I'm sorry. He'll be more than happy to explain it to you, I'm sure. So next time, or till next time, if you guys have already tried these products or this company or have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to list them down below. Like, subscribe, comment, and keep on medicating.